Okay, I'm recording.
Dude, you're cooked. I'm sorry to say so, but like,
I started
you're
this
cooked.
game like 3 days ago.
I started this game like 2 days ago, maybe 4. You never know.
I'm on a
I'm
charger,
good
so
though.
I'm probably worse.
Match starting.
I hope I cook.
Round starting.
Oh my god, at 10 HP.
Round starting.
Oh. Damn.
Yo! Damn, bro. You good. Thank you.
Thank
No,
thank you.
Round starting.
Ah. Damn.
I love you more. I love you. I'm sorry, I'm playing a game and love you.
I think he's
Round starting.
Okay, 3-1, that's fine. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna start cooking them.
Round starting.
Darn.
Emo.
Alright.
Round starting.
Damn.
On 70 HP.
70?
Yeah.
Why you keep going to the same place?
Round starting.
Ah, you're hitting me through the wall.
No, I'm not.
You
I'm
were.
hitting your arm.
Oh.
Your arms have
I forgot that arms have, you know.
Round starting.
Ooh,
Sudden death now.
sudden death. Yep.
Round starting.
Ah. You just okay. I won't cry. I won't.
GG's.
I'm not cry.
GG's, bro. GG's.
Rematch?
Do you wanna, yeah, rematch?
How do you like how you're being in a YouTube video?
I am? What's your channel? Please don't choose that map. I hate that map.
But it's small.
I'm so bad at that map. Please, bro. Oh, yes, sir.
Match starting. Round starting.
Ah, damn.
Round starting.
Damn.
Only on 76 HP.
So,
Round starting.
hmm? Damn, I'm about to die like this. Why do you just stay right there?
No reason.
What if the time goes out? You think? I never know what it means. I wanted to see when the time ends. What happens?
Nope. I'm not doing that.
Round starting.
Dang.
Ooh, tie. GG's, bro.
GG.
GG's. We're both gonna win. Maybe. Match point for me. You only got 1 point.
Round starting.
I'm sorry if this is rude, but you're camping. I missed.
I won. I got another stick. GG's, bro.
GG.
You want to rematch again, or what do you want to do, bro?
Nah, I'm gonna make another video.
Okay. Well, can I say one thing to
What?
your video?
What?
Everybody like and subscribe and comment down OG if you see this.
I mean, this isn't
'Cause
really.
only OGs play rivals. Only OGs
Yeah.
play rivals. Oh, animal rivals.
My YouTube channel
um,
is named. Wait, let me check. It's James 15 yeah, James 15.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Wait, let me double check.
James 15.
Wait, let me double check.
Okay, I almost pressed the home button.
Yeah, it's James 15. That's my YouTube
James
channel.
15. Okay. I'll definitely watch the video. GG's, bro. Good game.
Oh yeah, by the way, you know
Wait.
the YouTuber
We have to do a
Apollo?
salute. We have to do a salute.
Do you know is Apollo, whatever his name?
No, is Paulo? No, I don't know who is Paulo.
He's another YouTuber. We're friends.
Yeah, cool. So it's James 15. Your thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you, bro.
Goodbye.